So here I am in Massachusetts, and I looking for some nice rock because I think rocks are beautiful, and I like them. I like to see all the colors inside the rock. So I'm gonna show you all different stuff that I found today. Like I already go through this here. I was finding all this stuff here, all these colorful rocks. So first I want to show you all the quartz I found mixing with jasper. This stuff here. This is quartz. This is mixing with that green material. I think it's epidot or serpentine, something like that. It's nice green. Look at this. This is another quartzite piece, nice and solid. This got some green, some red, some orange, white, black, yellow. It's a beautiful piece of quartzite. And I think this must be green jasper. This is got a nice green inside. Got this nice black white stripes. Wow, it's beautiful. Now I'm gonna show you some jaspers. I think this is also quartzite mixing with some jasper. And I got this piece of jasper here mixing with quartz. It's beautiful. Beautiful piece. And I got this other piece of jasper. I don't know what material this is, but it's beautiful. It's kind of white with a green tint. It's very solid and heavy. It's probably a green jasper too. I got this other jasper, some red, yellow, green. beautiful piece. And then this piece, I think this is epidote or serpentine. But it got some orange other mineral there. Oh, I think it's a green jasper. Anyway, it's nice. And I got this agate here. Or it could be just clear quartz. Anyways, kind of nice. It got some white bands inside that I can see. Maybe the camera doesn't get it, but they got some nice water lines this way here. So it's neat, beautiful. Got this other piece, nice dark, very dark green. Probably it's a jasper, maybe just epidote. This is other green rock. With some green jasper. And this is other jasper with red, yellow, and this white here. It's a beautiful piece. Now we're going into this stuff here. This look like sandstone, but I think people call it like picture jasper. Got some beautiful lines there. I mean, if you slice this rock here, make a nice picture there. This is another same material here. Some other people call this landscaping jasper. Look at this one. This is another landscaping jasper, picture jasper. Either way. Another one here. The big one here. Look at this one. This one is beautiful. Huge piece. This side is not too beautiful, but this side here, this is nice. This is another one. Same stuff. Look at that. some stuff here. I bet this stuff look beautiful after tumble. It's nice. The last piece of picture jasper is this one. That window there. It looks nice. This one looked like a, you know, the, I forgot now. Sorry. It looks nice. It looks like a window, like a round window, circle. Beautiful. This line here. It's like 3D picture there. I don't know what that is. But this rock here, this rock is beautiful. This is called breccia. Breccia rock. It's beautiful. I like this one, but it's big. You can see all the details on that rock to make some, like a slice of the some color. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is all the stuff I